Driving a car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's a skill that grants you the freedom to explore and experience the world around you. However, this freedom comes with a great responsibility to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Whether you are a new driver or someone looking to improve their driving skills, this article will guide you through the essentials of car driving, from mastering the basics to confidently navigating diverse driving conditions. Stepping into the driver's seat for the first time can be both exhilarating and nerve-wracking. Knowing the basics of car driving is crucial to build a strong foundation for your journey as a responsible and skilled driver. The basics of car driving. Understanding the controls. Before you start your engine, familiarize yourself with the car's controls. Learn about the accelerator, brake pedal, clutch, for manual cars, gear shifter, steering wheel, and other important components. Proper seating and adjustments. Maintaining the right seating position is essential for comfort and safety. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a clear view of the road and easy access to controls. Starting the car is the first step of your driving journey. Follow the correct procedure to avoid any accidents or damage to the vehicle. Understanding and adhering to traffic rules is vital for smooth and safe driving experiences. Knowing traffic signals, speed limits, and right-of-way rules will keep you and others out of harm's way. Traffic signals and signs. Traffic signals and signs convey crucial information to drivers. Learn to interpret and respond to these signals accurately. Speed limits and safe following distance. Respecting speed limits and maintaining a safe following distance from the car ahead are essential habits for a responsible driver. Right-of-way and intersection etiquette. Understanding right-of-way rules and intersection etiquette will prevent potential accidents and make your driving experience more seamless. Defensive driving techniques. Being a defensive driver means staying alert and proactive on the road. These techniques will help you navigate unpredictable situations safely. Being aware of surroundings. Keep a keen eye on your surroundings, check blind spots, and anticipate potential hazards. Anticipating and reacting to potential hazards. Predicting the behavior of other drivers and pedestrians can help you respond effectively to potential dangers. Managing stress and road rage. Traffic jams and aggressive drivers can be frustrating, but it's important to stay calm and collected to avoid escalating situations. Navigating different driving conditions. Driving conditions can vary greatly, and being prepared for diverse scenarios is crucial to maintaining your confidence behind the wheel. Driving in inclement weather. Rain, snow, and fog can create challenging driving conditions. Learn how to adapt your driving to stay safe in adverse weather.